Islamic world, and particularly Gulf, which is neighboring state to Pakistan, we have these relations which are based on mutual trust, based on mutual respect, our religion, one religion, our culture, and our historic connections. On that basis, I think Pakistan and leadership from Gulf countries have one resolve in mind, and that is to cooperate with each other in the realm of trade, investment, culture, promote Islam as a religion which projects peace, tranquility,
Yes.
shuns all kind of and all shapes of terrorism and extremism. This and other points make a wonderful bouquet of agendas on which we have to work together, and we are.
Yeah.
And in that, I think we are also strategic partners.
No. So do you count on the economical support of these countries to Pakistan today?
Hugely, without any ray of doubt. Yani labudda, بدون شك yani. Pakistan's economic woes and difficulties in the recent years wouldn't have decreased without the support and tangible and very valuable support from our brotherly countries in the Gulf. That goes without saying, be it Saudi Arabia, be it UAE and other countries. Believe me. And that does not mean that we should be always looking forward to these very reliable and trustworthy brothers for dole-outs and handouts. No. That is not my vision.
Yeah.
That is not how I see things.
Yeah.
My vision is that and my nation is motivated. Pakistan nation is a very resilient nation, and it's a very brave nation. And my vision is that together, through this musada min ikhwan min huna, we will inshallah stand on our own feet and promote trade, promote investments,